Schools do an okay job teaching academics, but they do not prepare children for life. They don't teach how to communicate clearly. They don't teach emotional regulation. They don't teach confidence, responsibility, leadership, and they don't teach kids what it actually means to grow into a profession. That's why I created this program. I'm so excited to introduce the Future Professionals program, which is designed specifically for ages 4 through 13. This program is not just about choosing a career. It's a program that will teach those kids what it means to have a career. It's about teaching the kids how to show up in a world like capable, confident, responsible humans, no matter what the path will be and what they choose to do later. A future professional isn't defined by just a job title. It's defined by skills, mindset, character. If you have a child between the ages of 4 and 13 and you want them to build a skill that schools don't teach, but life demands, this program is for you.